Now that you know the 3 short vowels, let's look at real Arabic words that use them and practice how each one sounds in context. Reminder: Arabic is read and written from right to left, and the letters connect, like cursive writing. The short vowel marks help you pronounce words correctly, but they are not always written in everyday Arabic. In most books, newspapers, and signs, native speakers read without vowel marks. They understand the words from context. But in the Quran, children's books, or when you're learning, the vowels are included to help with pronunciation. This writing style is called Modern Standard Arabic. Now let's look at how these short vowel marks work with real letters. First example, the word dars, meaning lesson. Let's break it down step by step. The letter dal with fatha makes the sound da. The letter ra with sukun makes a still sound, just r, no vowel. The letter sin makes the s sound at the end. Altogether, dars, dars. Again, dars. Notice, dal and ra are 2 of the 6 one-way connector letters. They only join to the letter before them, not after. That's why in this word, the letters don't all connect. There's a small break. Sin is a 2-way connector, but it comes at the end here. Note, we're not adding a vowel to the last letter. That's normal in Modern Standard Arabic, MSA. Most words are written and pronounced this way today. In Classical Arabic, the same word might be written darsun for grammar or rhythm in the Quran. Keep in mind, leaving off the final vowel is common and doesn't change the meaning. We will cover full endings and grammar later when you're ready for more advanced reading. Second example, the word kutub, meaning books. Let's break it down step by step. The letter kaf with dhamma makes the sound ku. The letter ta with dhamma makes the sound tu. The letter ba ends the word with the b sound. Altogether, kutub, kutub. One more time, kutub. Notice, kaf, ta, and ba are 2-way connectors. They connect to both the letter before and after. That's why the word flows smoothly without any breaks. In Classical Arabic, just like the first example, this word may also appear fully voweled as kutubun, especially in the Quran or formal texts, where the final vowel shows the grammatical case of the word. In everyday Modern Standard Arabic, this ending is usually left off, and the meaning remains clear without it. Third example, the word bint, meaning girl. Let's break it down step by step. The letter ba with kasra makes the sound b. The letter noon with sukun makes a still sound, just n, with no vowel after it. The letter ta finishes the word with a clear t sound. Altogether, bent, bent. One more time, bent. Notice, all 3 letters, ba, noon, and ta, are 2-way connectors, so the word is written smoothly in one flow from right to left. In Classical Arabic, like the earlier examples, this word may appear as bintun in formal texts, but the ending is usually left off in everyday Arabic without changing the meaning. Let's review the words we learned today. Da, dars, da, dars. Open your mouth slightly. Da, dars. Ku, kutub, ku, kutub. Round your lips softly. Ku, kutub. Bi, bint, bi, bint. Smile gently. Bi, bint. Each word begins with a short vowel, and the shape of your mouth helps you pronounce it clearly. That's the end of this lesson on short vowels. In the next lesson, we'll explore the 3 long vowels, alif, waw, and ya, and how they stretch the vowel sounds you just learned.